Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an LLC. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. 1. Choose your state. As an LLC owner, the first thing you must do is choose the state in which you will operate your business. The most logical option for most new business owners is to form an LLC in the state where they live. If your company will have a physical presence in other states, you must register a foreign LLC in each state where you intend to conduct business. In some cases, you may choose to form your LLC in a state other than the one in which you reside. Some states, such as Delaware and Nevada, have business-friendly laws that may entice potential LLCs. However, registering your LLC in another state, or multiple states, may result in additional fees and paperwork. 2. Give your LLC a name. After you've decided on a location for your company, it's time to come up with a name. Each state has its own set of rules for business names, but in general, you should follow the following guidelines. The phrase, limited liability company, or an abbreviation must appear in the name, LLC. The name cannot contain words that could be confused with a government agency, such as FBI, Treasury, or CIA. Restricted words like bank, attorney, or university may necessitate additional paperwork and the inclusion of a licensed individual, such as a doctor, in your LLC. 3. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is someone or a company who sends and receives legal documents on your behalf. Legal summons or document filings are examples of documents that your registered agent will receive and forward to you. The majority of states require LLCs to have a registered agent, who must be a resident of the state in which you do business. 4. Submit your application to the state. The next step is to have your LLC registered with the state. The formation document is commonly referred to as the Articles of Organization in most states, but it can also be referred to as a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization in some states. This document, along with your state filing fee, is what creates your LLC legally. You can submit your documents either by mail or online. In addition to your certificates, you must provide the following. A. The full names and contact information for all of the LLC's founding members. B. The name of the company. C. The LLC's mailing address. If your company has multiple addresses, you must choose a primary address for official mail and tax purposes. D. The length of time the company has been in operation. E. The registered agent's contact information. F. Information about the LLC, such as a mission statement and a statement of purpose. 5. Determine your management structure. As an LLC, you have the option of deciding how your company's management will be structured. You can have your company be member-managed, which means that a small number of LLC members are all involved in the day-to-day operations of the company, or manager-managed, which means that members do not want to be involved in managerial matters and delegate that power to one or more managers. 6. Draft an operating agreement for your LLC. An LLC operating agreement is a legal document that defines your LLC's ownership structure and member roles. Although most states do not require an operating agreement, it is still a good idea to get everything in writing. An operating agreement may include the following sections. A. Organization. This section describes when and where the company was founded, as well as who the members are and the ownership structure. B. Management and voting. This section discusses how the company is run and how decisions are made. C. Capital contributions. This is where you will designate which members financially support the LLC, and create a structure for raising additional funds in the future. D. Distributions. This section explains how the company's profits and losses are distributed among its members. F. Dissolution. This section describes the conditions under which the LLC may be dissolved. 7. Obtain an EIN. Your LLC's EIN, or Employer Identification Number, functions similarly to a Social Security number. To hire employees and open business bank accounts, you will need an EIN. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS website, by fax, or by mail. 8. Register to conduct business in other states. It is very likely that your LLC will eventually do business across state lines. As a result, you must ensure that your company is qualified in other states. After registering in your company's home state, where you will pay taxes, your LLC must qualify in any state where it conducts significant business. Each state has its own definition of a significant business. However, a physical office or storefront, as well as sales in the state totaling more than $500, generally necessitate qualification. This is referred to as foreign qualification. You must become acquainted with the requirements for LLC qualification in each state where you do business. If you follow their guidelines, your LLC will be able to conduct business without violating any laws. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an LLC. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.